Hi, welcome to the market alert for Wednesday the 6th of August 2015, and starting off in the 5-minute chart we get the first signal at 14:45. there we see this triple X signal. We then see the market filling this with a professional buying bar, the market coming back and retesting the 600 level before then moving up to the 650 where we get the PTI. So in this particular trade you can see that the market finding resistance to the upside, which is going to do at the moment because there's really nothing to move this market, with a maximum of 38 points in this trade. We then get the PTI. We see the market filling this. Initially the market doesn't want to go down and comes back up towards the 50 level, the 650 level, before moving sharply lower, and then prices drive through this 600 level there, which again, as I've said before, if the market drives through these levels then it's likely it's going to continue, and sure enough it does. Whereas in the upside here you can see the market didn't really drive through, there was no increase in volume, but here you've got the increase in selling coming into the market. There's a bit of testing, but the market fails to even come back up to the 600 level, reverses and then continues on down as well. Once the market gets through here, it then trades back towards the upside. So again, from the entry price to the psychological level as the market comes back, you can see there 88 points at 1 point, of course, on the trade, which you're never going to get. You know, we can only get so much out of the trade, but the maximum on this trade was 121 points. So there was certainly 100 points clear on this trade as the market moved lower there. And in the daily chart you can see the market was making progress following the buying pressure bar. I traded through the high of this bar as well, but then eventually had to succumb to the downside pressure in the market moving back. We're now likely to see prices move and retest the 17,445 level, but we do have a new one in place here as well, which is at the low of this bar. So let me just modify this slightly so we can see where it is we're actually looking at, and also get rid of a few of these other resistance areas. Just tidy the chart up where prices failed and then move back. So this is where we're looking at on the downside, the 445 and then the 396 for this market to move lower there. In the news today, there's only one at 3 p.m. There's all the usual stuff from Bank of England, which they're not going to change the rates today. Well, I'll be very surprised if they did. Very surprised indeed. We've got the nicer GDP estimate from the US. This is 0.7 previous. There's no forecast, so again it's a matter of what the market does when this is released, but it's medium impact for this particular news item. Everything else out beforehand. And in the implied volatility, 1226 for Tuesday. Again, this should have increased during Wednesday's session. Well, actually it's dropped. It's 1205, and that's probably because the market was heading to the upside initially after the economic news that was released at 1:30. And then of course it came in, the down move came later in on the afternoon, so surprised there. It is just off slightly by 19 points there, but a bit of a surprise to see that move lower. And again you can see this in the chart there, just hovering around the 12% area there. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. Long may the profits continue. It's been a great start to August. And the volatility levels that we have at the moment in the market are just perfect, which, like I say, hopefully that will be set a precedent for the rest of the trading month, which is generally quite quiet. Right, I shall see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.